Okay, lesson 62, number 18 says find the distance between the point 3, 1. Is this the right one? Whoever asked this one? Okay. And the line y equals x minus 4. So I like to draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 1. There it is. 3, 1. And y equals x minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1 over 1. So, I don't know. Just a little sketch. So the distance is going to be found by, I can use the distance formula. We know the distance formula now, I think. Yeah, the distance formula is awesome. It's like, I don't know, how's it go again? It's got something take away something squared plus something take. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that thing would totally give me the distance. And is that what it's asking me, the distance? Let's see, number 18. It wants the distance. Okay, so if only I knew that point. That would be lovely. I know that I have a 3 and a 1. You know what I mean? I have 1 point. So what I actually have to do is find the equation of this black line and the equation of the red line and do a system of equations and find out where they cross. So the equation of the black line, well, hey, we already have the equation of the black line, so that's easy. So this equation of the red line is going to be, what's the slope going to be if they're perpendicular? Yeah, -1. So it's going to be y equals -1 times x plus b, right? And this, we'll put y right here. So do I have a point on that line so I can somehow figure this thing out? Yes, I do. Isn't this point on the red line, this black point right here? That's 3, 1. That's on both, well, I mean, that's on this line. That's supposed to be the red line. It's hard for you to see, but it is. So 3, 1, so I can put 3 and 1 like that, I think, and then that gives me -3 plus b equals 1, and I can figure out what b is. B looks like it's going to be 4, so +4. And when I look at my picture, it looks like that could be +4 up there. I mean, it's not labeled perfectly, but that looks okay. So I know that the equation of the red line is this. Y equals -x plus 4. So now I have the red line and the black line, and I just do a system of equations. So I can just substitute this y, you know, stick it over here if I want to. The equal values method. X minus 4 equals -x plus 4. And then I can add x to both sides. And I get 2x. I think I'll add 4 to both sides also. 2x equals 8. X equals 4. X equals 4. That gives me the x coordinate. And that looks like actually 4, doesn't it? Yeah, and then I can plug that into, what am I trying to do? Plug it into either one of the lines, right? And I'm going to get 0. So, aren't I going to get 0 if I plug it in?
4 to 0.
Yeah, that's okay. So it doesn't look perfect on my graph, but it's pretty close, so we'll say it's good. So now I have the 2 ordered pairs, and I can stick them in the distance formula. I know, it's all good. So, let's see, I'll just go 3 minus 4 right here. 3 minus 4, well, that'd give me -1, and if I square it, I got 1. And then I can go 1 minus 0. Oh, well, that'd give me 1. Right, and square it, and I got 1. So I got √2. I think the distance is √2. I can check that, can't I? Yep. I guess you can go D. D equals √2.
Dang.
What?
Close.
Oh, you were close.